If you want to transfer files from a Mac to Windows and vice versa via an external hard drive, you may often have to reformat your hard drive to be able to read and write files on both the systems. Today I am going to show you how to reformat both Windows as well as Mac formatted hard drives to the one supported on both by using a Mac system. Starting with the Windows NTFS format hard drive, here we have it plugged in and you can find, and we will go and get the info. Here you can see that the format for this drive is the Windows NTFS format. We want it in ExFAT, which will be the format that's supported on both Mac and Windows as well as on Linux. So to perform that, we will first open the search bar by typing command spacebar. We will search disk utility and type enter. Now we have on top left the internal hard drive in the APFS format. So the internal hard drive for the Mac is in APFS format with the volume shown, and the one in the bottom is the external hard drive that we want to format. And keep in mind, before formatting, remove any files that are important here, because once you format you will not be able to recover them. So transfer them to a safe location before performing this formatting. So now we will be erasing this. So we'll rename it first. And from this drop down menu, we have all the formats that we can format it into. The top ones are the new Mac format, the APFS and the APFS encrypted, for which you need password to open every time. Then you have these old formats, Mac OS extended, and this one as well, case sensitive. These last two ones are the ones we want either of them, any one of them we can convert into, but we will choose ExFAT. That's because the top one, FAT32, although it's supported on both on Linux, Mac as well as Windows, there's a limit for file transfer which is 4 GB. So larger than that you won't be able to transfer it into. So that's why we choose the ExFAT and we hit erase. Now we'll wait till the process is done. So now we are done, and you can see that the format has been changed from NTFS, the Windows version, to the ExFAT, which will be supported on both Mac, Windows as well as Linux. Now in the next step, I will show you how to convert an APFS formatted hard drive to this ExFAT. The process is slightly different, so you will see it in the next step. What happens if you have a hard drive which is meant for using in only Apple devices, so it's in APFS format, or you have accidentally converted an ExFAT formatted drive or a Windows FAT32 drive into an APFS drive, and you want to convert it back to ExFAT. You'll first go here and check what's the current format. You can see that it's APFS. So we want to convert this into ExFAT. So for that, we'll go into the disk utility, and you think you can go by the usual route by erasing it, but you don't find the ExFAT format here to go back. So we have to remove the APFS volume first by selecting this, then going to edit, delete APFS volume, and remind you that before performing any of these steps, remove any essential files that you have in the hard drive to a safer location. And now I'll be deleting it. Okay, so now we are done. We can erase this. We can rename it same. Now we have the option to select ExFAT, and we'll select the top option and do erase. Okay, so now we have this ExFAT version that we wanted. So thank you for watching.